All right, so here's our flat tire, Cal. What are we gonna do?
I'll fix it.
We're gonna fix it? Okay, well, let's show them how we're gonna fix it. So this tire just goes flat super slow. We bought some of this from Home Depot. It can also be found on Amazon. It's the tire tube sealant. So basically it puts this liquid fluid in there that if the hole gets in there, that liquid flows over the hole, goes into the hole, patches the hole as it gets dried by the air coming in. And the way to know how much you need to put in there is multiplying the height of the tire by the width of the tire, then dividing that number by 7.5. So you times the width by the height, divided by 7.5, that's how many ounces. This tire is 6 inches wide by 12 inches tall. So 6 times 12, 72. 72 divided by 7.5, close enough. We're just gonna put 10. So we need to bring it off the ground so we can get the valve at the bottom so gravity pulls the fluid in. All right, that's good, I think. Let's see. Yep, right there. That's all we need. This is how you remove the valve. Basically, you stick it in here, goes over, then you unscrew it. There we go. Maybe. That's just turning the whole valve, dang it. We're gonna have to figure that out. The problem I'm having is, and you might have it too, is I'm twisting it, and instead of just twisting the inside of the valve out, it's twisting the whole valve. To compensate for that, I'm gonna take 2 pairs of pliers and hold the valve with one and twist the other with the other. So now that that's loose, I'm just gonna unscrew it and go. That's what the inside valve looks like. Take the lid off, put this guy on, turn off the top, just like that, this on, push that on there like that, then you push this one on here, and then should be able to turn upside down and squeeze. We're just going to squeeze the rest of this in there. So if a screw gets in it or small valve leak, this will hopefully run over the hole, go out the hole, then the air connects with it and dries it. Ooh, we're just about out. My hands are getting tired of squeezing it. It will bend in half. There it is, all gone. We're going to go ahead and put the valve back in. So you got to make sure you put it in the right way with the longer stem that compresses in. See that? So we're going to put it in that way. Take our tool here, tighten her up. Fill it up with some air. We need to go to 14 psi max. Okay, let go. Look, 10. That's it. Oh, you know what? I want to harden that.
That's.
Well, 14. Well, that's probably good right there. Yeah, 13.6. All right. We're all done with that tire. Now, there's no indicator of how many ounces. Just kidding. Ignore that part of the video. There's the answer right there.